Hey everyone, couple of days since I built those Lego flowers and lost footage and some audio. So all I have is the time-lapse and don't really have a good source of audio during that. So what you're getting is just the time-lapse and a little clip of me at the end that I scraped together. So yeah, hope you enjoy and thanks for watching. Alright, there's my bouquet. Just, basically looks like a weed. But yeah, these are pretty cool. Let's see if I can hold them all in one hand and not break them. Oh god, I'm already like nervous. Alright, here's the thumbnail. Actually, they don't look bad together like this. They don't look, I mean, they could be a little less bulky to hold, but they don't look bad together like this. No, not far from it. This is a cool Lego set. And hour and 40 is what it took me to build all of this. What is the recommended build time on this? Estimated build time. They usually have that. I thought they would have that on here. I'll put it in the video, like right here, the estimated time versus my actual time. But thank you so much for watching, and there'll be two versions of this: the time-lapse version and the non-time-lapse version. Non-time-lapse version is going to be a long video, so like I said, throw on some music and put it in the background, or just don't watch it. Don't give it too much thought. I'm just going to throw it up almost raw. I mean, I have to slice things together, but don't worry about it. Thanks, guys. I always see what I can do is the excess pieces for, and I made this little abomination of a plant. Oh, that's so cute.